Are you ready for this eye look? We're going to use Tiger Lily, our newest shade of the season, lip and cheek color, as a base coat for my eyeshadow. Getting that on the lid, in the crease, and slightly higher. Next, I'm going to use Peppa, one of my favorite shimmer shades, just on my lid. It's really going to grip to that cream. Leo in the crease, slightly higher so we can see it. I'm also going to bring that below the lash line and deepen it with Philly, just in the outer corner. Now, to make it this bright, we're going to use a smoke white eyeliner. This one's by NYX, just on the waterline. Inner corner. And run it along the brow. And just a little more Philly to line. Follow me, Diana Delapo Quick Contour. I've got lots of color combinations to share with you.